Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amber, and as you can see, based on the clip that you're looking at, your girl got a relaxer. I know, I got a relaxer. I left hashtag Team Natural. Now I'm on hashtag Team just healthy hair in general. Not relaxed hair, not natural hair, just healthy hair, making sure that you have the healthiest hair, the best hair in the state that it's in. So, for any of you girls out there who are natural, who are watching this, who do not agree with this, or do not like this type of video, or don't want to see this type of video, before we say anything mean, nasty, or hateful, let's just keep it to ourselves and just click out of the video. Okay, now that that's done, so basically I decided to get a relaxer because I feel like I'm going into a new stage in life. I'm going on a new journey in life, and I'm changing as a person, so I wanted to change my look up and be different, do something different, all of the above. There's a lot of reasons why I went back to my relaxed hair, and I'm going to make a completely separate video about why I went back to my relaxed hair. But for now, enjoy watching me get this relaxer, or if you don't enjoy watching people get a relaxer for whatever the reason may be, then I guess you can catch one of my many other videos on my channel. I did natural hair videos. Now I'm going to do relaxed hair videos. I've done hauls. I've done vlogs. I do skincare. I just do little sprinkles all over the place. So thanks so much for clicking on this video, and I hope I will see you guys in the next one. So this is what it's looking like. So the roots kind of took from like here to like here. I didn't get a good relaxer. The ends are super straight. And that's because you can see like there's a lot of texture over here still. That's simply because I only bought one box of relaxer and my mom had to try to stretch it and that just wasn't enough. So we'll have to fix that later on. But for right now, I'm going to apply my deep conditioner. So I'm gonna split it on this side. Split it right here. Yeah, there's still like a lot of texture in here. So I guess that can be considered like Texlaxed. But I'm not going for Texlaxed, I'm just going for relaxed. So I'm gonna be using the Belle Organics Rice Water Conditioning Powder mixed with my TGIN Honey Miracle Mask. And this is supposed to add strength and shine. So I mix that up. That is what it looks like. And I'm just going to start applying the hair mask. Okay, so I'm back and we're gonna move on to styling. So I set up under the dryer with my rice water conditioner. I'm gonna spray in my leave-in. It's gonna be the Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner by Aphogee. It smooths, detangles, improves body and shine, and it protects against heat. So I'm gonna use this as my leave-in. And then it says to comb it through. So combing it through, I can definitely tell like this middle section right here is where I have a line of demarcation. So we'll fix that when we do the next relaxer. And yes, my ends will get trimmed. Probably tomorrow. Maybe today. Who knows? Okay. This is how much shedding I got. So not a lot. Which, I mean, your hair sheds like 100 strands a day. And I washed my hair last week at some point. So I think it's been like a week since I washed my hair, so I'm gonna have a decent amount of shedding. Okay. And it's gonna continue to shed because the hair needs to come out. So I am going to leave-in strengthener. So I'm gonna apply like a little dab of this leave-in strengthener that came with the relaxer. Not a lot. Because stuff that comes, I don't know what that stuff is. I don't know what's in it. I don't know what it's supposed to do. So I'm not gonna apply a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna go sit up in the dryer and let my hair dry, which shouldn't take long at all. But I'm gonna actually take these ends and kind of clip them up so my ends can get dry first. And then I'm going to flat iron my hair. And that's gonna be all she wrote. Okay guys, so we are all done. She is blown out, she is flat ironed, and this is what she's looking like. So, she has movement, she has body, she needs her ends trimmed. Yeah, and I'll turn around and show you guys the back. So this is what the back is looking like. Shimmy, shimmy, shake, shake. So it still has life, it still has fullness, it still has everything in it that it needs to have in it. So now we're on, I think I used too much like of this like silk protein spray, so it's a little, it's got movement, but it's kind of a little stiff. It's a little stiff. It's not as like as I want it to be. But anyways, so now guys, we are on a new journey. We were on a healthy, we were on a healthy hair journey before, but we're just on a healthy hair journey with different hair, relaxed hair. So if you like this video, or if you didn't like this video, it's okay. You can still like this channel. You can subscribe, click the notification bell, leave a comment down below. Let's interact with each other. And I hope to see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.